Put my feelings on safety, so I don't go shooting where your heart be. Cause you take the bullet trying to save me, then I'm left to deal with making you bleed. And that's a whole lot of love, ain't trying to waste it. Like we be running them out and never make it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna taste it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna face it.
I need you to put a rush up on it, like August. Get a ticket for me, I got it, that's ballin'. Texting on my ways, but you still stalling.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's yours truly, and you already know the name, Asia. Basically, as y'all can see, I got a new hairstyle, and it is my first time ever getting a frontal. I actually really love it, so I'm gonna take you guys on this journey with me, and you're gonna see how we got this. If you guys want to see how my stylist took me out, then just stay
I can't say I give my all, baby, but tonight I'd risk it all, baby.
Arching your back. Arching your back. It don't matter. It don't matter. Yeah. It don't matter. No. Yeah. It don't matter if the sun don't shine, as long as we here together. It don't matter if you keep things true, then baby we'll shine together. It don't matter. You'll stay on my mind. I want this shit to last forever. It don't matter. It don't matter. It don't matter. Yeah. It don't matter who was wrong or right. Baby, we gotta put our pride aside. And when I'm with you, I just feel the vibe. All the feelings that I feel inside. I don't ever wanna see you leave. I don't ever wanna see you go. But if it ever got to the point, baby girl, I gotta let you know. It don't matter if the sun don't shine, as long as we here together. It don't matter if you keep things true, then baby we'll shine together. It don't matter. You'll stay on my mind. I want this shit to last forever. It don't matter. It don't matter. It don't matter. It don't matter.
Hi everybody. If you're watching this, that means you made it to the end of this video, and I appreciate you for sticking that long. It wasn't really that long though, I don't think. It is the day after the install. I think I'm gonna always get frontals. My stylist hooked me up, and her name is going to be in this video somewhere. I already put it in here. I think y'all need to get hooked up by her if you live in Sac, okay? I have I'm not sure the length of the frontal, but I know the bundles are 24 inches. So it is long. And yes, you guys, I am in love with this hair. Basically, I just wanted to take you guys on this journey with me of getting my first frontal because I've never had a frontal before. So I'm actually really excited, and I can't wait. I want to keep making videos like these. I just want to keep doing these videos. Like, I don't know, I'm trying to get it popping. I'm trying to keep content coming on my page. So I love that I can kind of just do whatever with it. Like, when I got it styled, it was in the middle part, but it was kind of all in my face when I was driving, so I kind of just like pulled it back. And then when I was laying it last night, before I went to sleep, I just brushed it all back so that like my hair could lay. But yeah, you guys, before I end this video, I just want to thank you guys so much for all the support I've been getting lately. I'm almost at 2,000 subscribers, and yeah, I'm really excited. Lately y'all been showing me a lot of love, and yeah, it's not going unnoticed. I try to reply to all y'all comments, and I try to just keep in touch with everybody. I try to stay active all the time. So yeah, I do appreciate all you guys. You guys are amazing. Like, I didn't think honestly that I would ever get past 1,000 subscribers, and now I'm almost at 2K. And then what's next? 10K. And then what's after 10K? 100K. And then what's after 100K? 500K. And then what's after 500K? 1,000,000. So, you know, I'm trying to get there with it. That's where I'm trying to get. I'm trying to get to meals, okay? Nah, but I really do appreciate you guys. Like, I probably say this in every single video, so y'all hear this in every single video, but it's legit what it is. That's how I feel about y'all. Like, y'all go crazy, okay? I love y'all. I hope y'all love me, and I will see y'all in my next video.